So for today's yummy food, I've got salad, which is made up of cucumber and carrot and cabbage and lettuce. I've got an actual carrot over there as well. And I do have some cherry tomatoes under here somewhere. I got rice noodles, and I've also got some sea bass. But if you want to know what this is basil leaves, but cooked in the oven. So they've gone like dark green black colour, which is very, very strange. Oh, here are the cherry tomatoes. So yeah, I don't worry about presentation. I actually don't like cooking, but I absolutely love eating, particularly rice noodles, and sea bass taste delicious. So I'm going to look forward to having this menagerie of beautiful foods. Yummy. So you might be thinking, like, what's it like to eat rice noodles at home? Well, these are out of a packet. I have to say they're in microwave. I haven't got a wok anymore, so I just love eating these. Sea bass is really good. I've been listening to some really positive, young, loud music today, so I'm starting to get back to being myself. I'm recognising today all the things I need to do to be me again. So I felt very disconnected from my soul, but today, I'm on the right track. Yay! This is so good. I know it looks weird. You know, having the basil leaves that colour, but it tastes absolutely delicious. I love using chopsticks too. Especially with rice noodles. I can even pick up a round cherry tomato with chopsticks. Can you do this? Practice it. Cucumber next.